Good morning, students. Yeah, in today's class, I'm going to connect you with the workbook part of the lesson what we recently completed, that is journey. So, related part of the lesson for exercise purpose, for practice purpose, this is all content we have in the workbook. So, today we are going to work in practice book. So, it may take good time today and tomorrow. You people have to engage yourself solving all the things that you are instructed as per the day work allotted. So today I'm allotting you these four sheets. You see, I'm sending these images of four sheets. So here you have two comprehension passages and two discourses, children. And you are provided with good space also there in the workbook. So I instruct you, I advise you, write in workbook only. Please don't write in the notebook. This part especially. Okay, notebook is for other purpose. Classwork is for some other purpose. For we give you some designed pattern of uh, work in the classwork according to the pattern of the internal marks what we send. So that also will work will be allotted to you. So whatever we instruct to write in classwork, that part only you must write. And what we are instructing to write in the workbook, you must solve that in workbook because a good space is provided in workbook. So today in workbook you are given the four sheets. Okay, that is page number uh, 56, 57, these two pages. And again you are given page number 60 and 61. So your comprehension passages are your habituate children, you people are doing. It's fine, good. Okay, you are now well equipped, well skilled. Now you are doing well. Now, even I suggest you again the children, those who couldn't listen previous class. So for them, I advise overall to all that. Please, while solving the comprehension passages, don't directly go to the passage, please. First, you read the questions and understand. See, in our English, okay, throughout the CC pattern, other than the CC pattern, if I come out also, I will advise you three things you keep in your pocket all the time. Those three things are your weapon, your tools, okay, which will develop and mold your skills and give you good form. Okay, so uh, those three things are reading, underlining, and understanding. These three things very very important, children. Keep this in mind every time. Okay, don't forget it all the time. Even you can advise. Okay, the next class children, or when you grow up, also this principle of learning. Principle in the sense, not the school principal. Principal is different, principle is different. Principle in the sense siddhantam. So this principle is applicable forever and ever. Okay, read, underline, and understand. Okay, keep in mind, then only you people can grow well. Got my point? So these three things always keep in mind: read, underline, understand. So here you have passage. First read the questions. And in questions, children, we people simply know question and answer, answer and question. But we never think how this type of exercise, I say exercise, is given to students to solve. I am saying exercise because if I say again question, we are talking about question only. See, children, questions are prepared with a smart technique and with a motto, intention. What will be the intention? Intention will be that whatever is taught, whatever you read, whatever the lesson is covered, whatever subject it could be. Questions are framed on especially some important part of the lesson, important uh, excuse me, important content of the lesson is chosen to be verified from student whether he is thoroughly understood or just simply is